Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use the EVERSAFE Hidden Photo Vault app, a secure way to hide and take private photos and videos. If you're worried about privacy on your phone, this app is a lifesaver. Let's get started. EVERSAFE Hidden Photo Vault is a privacy protection app that lets you hide your personal photos, videos and files behind a secure lock instead of leaving everything in your regular gallery where anyone can see it. This app creates a private vault. You can secure it with a PIN, password or fingerprint lock. Now to use it, go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. To search EVERSAFE on the search bar at the top, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then tap on install. Once installed, open up your app. On your first launch, you'll be asked to set a passcode. Choose a strong one. This will be your master key. If your phone supports it, you can also enable fingerprint or face ID unlock for faster and more secure access. Once inside, you'll see an empty vault. Tap the plus button or import option right here at the bottom of the page. Then select the photos or videos from your gallery that you want to hide. After import, those files move into your vault. Select the photos or videos from your gallery that you want to hide. After import, those files move into your vault and you can choose delete them from a gallery so they are only visible inside EVERSAFE. You can create folders or albums to organize the hidden content. Some versions of app can snap a selfie of anyone who enters the wrong password. You can set up a second vault with a different password. Perfect if you ever feel pressure to unlock it. Use the in-app camera to take photos or videos that go directly into the vault without appearing in your normal gallery. Some versions allow encrypted cloud storage, so even if you lose your phone, your private files are safe. To view hidden files, just log into the vault with your passcode. You can restore photos and videos back to your gallery anytime. Use the share button if you need to send something directly from the vault without making it visible elsewhere. And always remember your passcode. If you forget it, you may lose access to your files. Enable biometric unlock for quicker access. Regularly back up your vault if the app supports it, so you don't lose important content. And that is how you can use the EVERSAFE Hidden Photo Vault. Have a simple but powerful way to protect your privacy and secure your photos and videos. I hope this tutorial helped you out. Like if it did and comment down if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Bye.